Welcome to securestartau. This channel is for anyone who wants technology explained in plain English. Today we're going to understand something you already use every single day, the wide area network, also called WAN. And don't worry, no complicated technical words. By the end of this video, you'll understand WAN using real-life examples. Let's start with a simple situation. Send a message to your friend who lives in another city. How does it reach them in seconds? Your phone connects to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connects to your internet provider. Your internet provider sends it across the country. And finally to your friend's phone. That long journey is WAN. Think of networks like roads. Inside your house is a small street. Inside a school or office is a neighborhood road. But between cities and countries, we need highways. WAN is the highway of the internet. It connects smaller networks together over long distances. In simple words, WAN means a network that connects many networks far away from each other. And the biggest wide area network in the world is the internet. Now let's see where you use WAN in daily life. Watching YouTube videos, Google search, online games, Zoom meetings, cloud storage. Even ATM machines use WAN. When you insert your card, the ATM is not storing your money. It contacts your bank's main computer located somewhere else using WAN and checks your balance in seconds. Another example, work from home. Your office computer is in the company building, but you access files from your laptop at home. That connection travels through WAN. So whenever data travels far distance, WAN is working behind the scenes. Why is WAN important? Without WAN, no internet, no online classes, no remote jobs, no online banking, and no social media. Basically, modern life stops. LAN, or local area network, connects nearby devices. WAN, or wide area network, connects the world. So next time you send a message across the planet instantly, remember it is traveling on a digital highway called wide area network. If this video helped you understand technology in a simple way, please like, share, and subscribe to securestartau. And tell me in the comments what topic you want next. Out! See you in the next video.